Clogger Zero chainsaw trousers are designed to be incredibly lightweight, comfortable, and cool for all-day work. The high-tech Aristex HP chainsaw protective fabric allows the entire trouser to weigh less than 2.2 pounds but still be certified chainsaw protection. The legs of the Clogger Zero trousers have 2 high-visibility patches as well as 2 large mesh vents for great ventilation and cooling in warm weather. The Zero pants have zippered pockets for security while working, as well as a Velcro phone pocket. The slim fit legs with extra length reduces bulk and gives more freedom of movement while using spikes, and the durable fabric on the knees and lower legs gives you an extra layer of protection where you need it. The 4-way stretch fabric is light and breathable and wicks moisture away from the skin to keep you cooler.